Hey, quick sneaker video for you. So, doing some updates to the back end right now. I haven't done a lot to the front end, though I promised I would. I am working on it. I will be putting out an update for the debugging some of the other front end code so I can track it through the back end. Working on the integration with PayPal as more and more of the licenses are being renewed. And the subscriptions are being renewed. PayPal isn't sending me the information I expected they'd be sending me. So with that said, I'm spending more time trying to focus the back end process right now and get that done so I'm not dealing with manually updating the license server. Anyway, that's it. It's just a quick one today. I'm going to be maybe a minute or two. I will put it on another video, not on the bot though, another video about work from home business. But this is just the bot. I'm still working on it. Things are doing good. There should be some really good marketing of the bot within the next week or so. I'm just connecting with people who do this now, who are actually marketing type people, and I'm looking forward to working with them. Anyway, you take care. Talk to you later. Happy botting. Bye-bye.